On the vast coasts of America, fishermen's lives often involve catching rare and expensive seafood species, such as king crab, which brings high economic value and income. For the fishermen, their hunting journey is passed down from generation to generation. The vast ocean is the place to realize their dream of getting rich. With modern skills and technology, they have created large-scale fisheries and processing factories with excellent technology. Let's see how U.S. fishermen bring back billions of king crabs and how to process them in today's video. King crab is a type of crab that lives in cold seas, such as the Bering Sea, the Sea of Okhotsk, and the Sea of Japan. They are one of the most expensive seafood today. King crab is a seafood that is always interested and sought after by gourmets. This type of crab contains a lot of nutrients that are good for health. With large crabs, their size can be up to 2 meters long and weigh 10 kilos. One of the special features of this species of crab is that it only has 6 legs and 2 claws. More specifically, their valuable meat is concentrated mainly in the legs and claws. King crabs are always highly prized for their sweet and chewy meat, so the bigger the crab legs, the greater the value. The crab's body will be covered by a thick and hard shell, and the top of the shell will have many sharp spikes. King crabs only live in cold waters at a depth of 200 meters to 300 meters above sea level. They are often found in sea areas with temperatures ranging from 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. They often live in caves and only come out before the breeding season or when the sea is rough with big waves. So catching this species of crab causes fishermen many difficulties. King crab fishing is considered one of the most dangerous but highly profitable occupations. To do this job requires perseverance, health, luck, and experience. Fishermen will need to go out to sea for 3 to 4 weeks before returning to the mainland. During the fishing process, fishermen must regularly break ice floes clinging to the sides of the ship to avoid the risk of the ship sinking. Because of the harsh weather, crab mining tools and machinery often freeze. Fishermen need to do everything possible to pull the crab cage onto the boat. Nowadays, in addition to being caught naturally, king crabs are widely raised in cold climates such as Russia, America, Canada, and Japan. In addition, they are also present in some other areas such as Northeast China and Korea. King crab contains many important minerals such as vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and selenium that help strengthen the immune system. prevent many diseases and help improve cardiovascular health. In addition, king crab helps strengthen the digestive system and reduce the risk of diseases related to the digestive tract, such as constipation, colon cancer, and hemorrhoids. King crabs are concentrated mainly in deep and harsh sea areas, so catching them is very difficult and dangerous. So their value is many times higher than other types of seafood. Fishermen often go out to sea early in the morning and return home late at night after a hard day's work. Tools to catch these king crabs require large and heavy cages, with food placed inside as bait. After dropping the cage, it takes a few days to get results. The fisherman will lift it up to check, and there are hundreds of giant king crabs inside. This is considered a bumper day. The fisherman will only take large and qualified males. Smaller crabs and female crabs will be released back into the sea, so they can continue to reproduce and develop until the next catch. Although this job is difficult, it brings high income so many people participate. There are many ways to turn these giant crabs into delicious dishes. Under the skillful hands of chefs, preparing them is easy. In different restaurants and countries, it will be prepared according to their own recipes and suitable to their country's taste. The simplest way to prepare crab while still retaining its natural, delicious flavor is to steam it. The meat will be kept intact and full of flavor. Besides, there are also many other attractive dishes. As you can see, this is a manual process used over decades with minor improvements and modernizations in the manufacturing process. However, today many factories have changed. They use computer-controlled robotic machines in each step of production to replace humans. This helps increase productivity and product quality. If you found today's video interesting, please leave us a comment in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope the above information is useful to you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell button here to receive our latest and useful videos. And watch this video with me.